22nd of February. We are going to be looking at what is a noun. Before we get started, we have some proofreading practice. We have 2 sentences, and we're going to be very good proofreading detectives and find our mistakes. About that, can you read our 2 sentences on the board?
Ladybird is the poor ladybird is good.
Good. Thank you, Bao Huang. All right, everyone. Do we see any mistakes here that need to be corrected? Do we see any mistakes? Ha Feng, do you see any mistakes that need to be corrected?
The word cute.
The word cute.
It's will be the letter C, not the letter K.
Very good. We need to get rid of this letter K and replace it with a C. So it's C-U-T-E. Very good.
Can I do one?
Yes, MKA. What is one more?
Ladybug climbs the pole.
Yes. And what is the one that should be spelled differently? And how do we fix
We need
that?
to add an E.
We need to add an E. Very good.
And a dot.
And a period or a full stop at the end. All right, very good, MKA. So we added the E to the end of pole to spell pole correctly, P-O-L-E, and we added our full stop or our period at the end. And we also corrected cute to be spelled C-U-T-E. Does anyone else see any things that need to be changed here in our 2 sentences? Vivian, what do you see?
I see is ladybug cute.
Ladybug is cute. And what is wrong with that? Ladybug is cute?
Is ladybug cute?
Oh, you want to change the order. Yeah, we could either change the order or
ladybug is, and we take that is into the ladybug one. So it is ladybug cute.
That is a way that we could fix the sentence. Or we could get rid of this question mark. We could get rid of the question mark and add in a full stop. So there's two ways that we could have done this. Vivian, you are correct. We could have rearranged the sentence to say, is the ladybug cute? This is what we do to make it correct. We can add an E to the end of pole to make it spelled correctly, P-O-L-E. And we need to add a full stop. And we need to change the way that cute is spelled. We need to replace the K with a C. And we need to get rid of the question mark and add a full stop. Our words here are words pole and cute. They both have our special magic E spelling pattern. They have our O consonant E spelling pattern and our U consonant E spelling pattern. And our E's at the end of the word, they're magic E's, and they make our vowels O and U say their name. They make them be long vowels, long O. So we hear the O in pole and the U in cute. And our E is silent at the end of the word. The E is silent. So pole and cute, they have the magic E, and the vowels O and U turn into long vowels that say their own name. Very good, everyone. Very good. All right, we are now going to go over our quizzes from last night about Diary of a Spider. So we're going to go over our quizzes and see how we did. So here for our class, we had Hainam in first place. Great job, Hainam. Then we had Ong-Tu, MKA, and Maiwa. Go over the questions here. So we have our first one. We have, why does Grandpa say that spiders are different from insects? Does he say they're different because spiders do not have 6 legs? Because spiders do not eat butterflies? Or because spiders are taking over the world?
Spiders do not have 6 legs.
Very good, because spiders do not have 6 legs. How many legs do spiders have, everyone? How many spiders? 8. Spiders have 8 legs, so they are not insects. All insects have 6 legs, and spiders have 8. So spiders are different from insects because they do not have. Good job. It looks like most of us got that one correct. Let's go to number 2. Why does Spider make flashcards? Does he make flashcards to teach his sister how to spin a web, to learn the steps for catching the wind or to show Grandpa what he learned? Lamang, do you know why Spider makes flashcards?
To learn the step for catching the wind.
Awesome, Lamang. To learn the steps for catching the wind. We can remember that Spider makes the flashcards after he was taught how to catch the wind in gym class, and he wasn't doing very good. He kind of fell off the basketball hoop. So he went home and he made flashcards to learn the steps for catching the wind. And remember, Fly, since she is an insect, she only needed one flashcard. She can just fly because she has wings, Question 3, why does Spider learn to stop, drop, and run? So that he will be safe in a fire, so that he won't get vacuumed up, or so that he won't be eaten by Daddy Longlegs. Ruby Tran, why do you think Spider learns to stop, drop, and run?
So that you won't get vacuumed up.
Very good, so that he won't get vacuumed up. Remember, we learned that vacuums, they eat spider webs. So in school, they learn to stop, drop, and run so they can get away from the vacuum and won't be sucked up by the vacuum cleaner. All right, very good. Let's go to question. Why does Spider molt on May 7th? Does he molt because he has grown too big for his skin? Because it is time. Billa, why does Spider molt on May 7th?
Because he has grown too big for his skin.
Awesome, because he has grown too big for his skin. Remember, his mom told him that he was getting too big for his skin and that he had to molt. So he shed his skin. The word molt means to shed. Number 5, on June 5, why does Fly go into her treehouse? Does she go into her treehouse because her feelings are hurt, because she is afraid of Daddy Longlegs, or she does not want to play with Spider? Why does she go?
On June, Fly go into the treehouse because her feelings are hurt.
Awesome, because her feelings are hurt. Very good. Remember, Daddy Longlegs made fun of Fly because Fly eats with her feet. So she got her feelings hurt and she went into her treehouse. And Spider was going to go give Daddy Longlegs a piece of his mind. But when he saw how big Daddy Longlegs was, he decided to give him a piece of his lunch instead. So Fly goes into her treehouse because her feelings. Number 6, why is Spider afraid of Daddy Longlegs? Is it because Daddy Longlegs is very big? Bauhan, why is Spider afraid of Daddy Longlegs?
Because Daddy Longlegs is very big.
Very good, because Daddy Longlegs is very big. Remember, we had a picture in our story of a very big Daddy Longlegs. His legs were super, super long, and Spider was scared of how big that Daddy Longlegs was. Good. All right, and we have question 7. Why do Spider and Fly have to play at her house after July 2? Is it because Fly hurt her wing and can no longer fly? Her mother doesn't think she is safe at Spider's house, or because Grandpa is afraid that Fly will get caught in the web again?
Because Fly have been caught in the web.
Yeah, and then what happens after she was caught in the web?
Her mother thinks she is not safe at Spider's house.
Awesome.
Her mother thinks that Spider would eat Fly.
Good, Lavi. Very good. Thank you. So they have to play at Fly's house after July 2nd because if you remember, Fly got stuck in Spider's web in their house, and then Fly's mom had to come get her. This was a cause and effect from yesterday. So Fly got stuck in the web, and then what happened was that Fly's mom had to come get her, and now her mother doesn't think she is safe at Spider's house. That is one way the author makes Grandpa seem like a person. Let's have my wall. What is one way the author makes Grandpa seem like a person?
Grandpa sends a postcard.
Good. Grandpa sends a postcard. This is one way the author makes Grandpa seem like a person. This is called personification. And another way that the author makes Grandpa seem like a person is the author or the illustrator draws Grandpa with a hat and glasses and a suitcase. So there's lots of ways that Grandpa acts like a real person. Very good. And we have number 9. What is one way the author makes Spider seem like a person? Can I have Lucida? What is one way the author makes Spider seem like a person?
The spider keeps a diary.
Good. The spider keeps a diary. Remember, our name of our story is Diary of a Spider. And this is one way the spider seems like a person because the spider can write and keep a diary. So this is also personification. Just like how Grandpa can send a postcard, this is a way that they are acting like a person. Which is one way that Spider does not seem like a person. Very good. Spider grows out of his skin. So people do not grow out of their skin. As we get bigger, we don't shed our skin and have a whole new skin underneath. We grow with our skin. It would be very silly if people shed their skin as they grew. They just have a whole bunch of Miss Callie copies as I grew. I could hold them like this and I could just put them maybe on my bed behind me and they would be there as I taught. That would be pretty weird, wouldn't it? If I had a whole bunch of Miss Callie shed skins, just like a spider. So this is one way that Spider does not seem like a real person. He grows out of his skin. So today we are going to be learning about nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. Do we remember what a noun is now? So we're going to look at some examples of some nouns from our book. So we have some examples for people, for animals, for places, and things. So here under people, we have a grandfather, a girl, and a friend. Can we think of other examples of nouns that name a person? Okay, can you think of another noun that names a person?
Yes.
Miss Callie.
Like Miss Callie, like a teacher. A teacher could be another noun. Yeah, a noun that names a person, a teacher. What about a student, like all of you? A student.
I know.
What's another one on 2?
A boy.
Brother, sister.
A brother, a sister. Great. A brother, a sister,
Mother.
a mother,
Mother. Father.
Daddy.
Mother.
father. Yeah, awesome. These are all
grandmother.
great, everyone. Places, as at places. We have home, school, park. Can we think of other places? Have fun. What's another place that you go to or that you know?
The supermarket.
The supermarket. Awesome.
And
the supermarket.
library.
And the library. Awesome. Both great places that I love to go. So what's another place that we have? We have supermarket, we have home, school, park, library. What's another one? Oh, a cinema. I love it. We can go watch a movie at the cinema. Awesome. Very good. We could even just put store as well. We can go to the store. Maybe it's a clothing store, a food store. We have some animals. We have some animals here. We have a spider, a fly, a bird. What's another animal? What's another word that could name an animal? A noun in a sentence for an animal.
Chameleon.
A chameleon. Oh, let's see if Miss Callie can spell a chameleon.
Horse.
Horse. Horse.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Flamingo.
People.
Flamingo.
All right. Good.
People.
People are animals. Vivian?
I said
Cheetah. All right.
Alligator.
And an alligator. All right. Good.
Flamingo.
You can write it just as a croc.
A crocodile.
Frog.
And a frog.
Flamingo.
And a flamingo. Very good.
Dog.
All right. So we're going to, what's your thing, Ruby Chan?
Feather.
A feather. This is a great thing. This is a type of thing. So we have a feather, a web, a vacuum, a tomato. Can we think of any other things that we may see in a sentence? What's another thing? Myra, what's another thing that you thought of?
Matter. A book.
A book. Very good. A book is a thing. Vivian, what was yours?
Seesaw and a matter.
A seesaw. And what was the other one?
Matter is everything.
Matter. That is great. That is great. Matter is everything. So you have a seesaw like from the story that Spider could not use because he wasn't light enough. And then we have matter, everything around us. This is encompassing a lot of. Very good. So these are all examples of people, animals, places, and things. And our noun, these can all be used as nouns in our sentences to name these things, to name a person, an animal, a place, or a thing. All right, good. I love seeing all of the other ones in the chat. This is a much better way of going about it than calling out and hurting everyone's ears. Very good, everyone. All right, so we are going to go through some examples. We're gonna go through some examples. So we are going to decide, is this item a person, place, animal, or thing? So I'm gonna put a picture up and we are gonna decide. So we have here, we have a bee. What is this? Is this a person?
Animal.
An animal.
Animal.
Very good.
Animal.
All right, what about this one?
Animal.
What is it?
Place.
The place. Maybe you want to go on holiday to the beach. The place. Very good. So we have an bee. What about here? What about this one here? A person, animal, or thing? A person. What is this thing? That's a So when we are going through sentences, we are going to find the nouns that are naming a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. So we have some example sentences that we are going to go through and find. So we're going to have someone read the sentence, and then we are going to call on other people to find the nouns. Can I have, Trantine, can I have you read our first sentence? Number 1.
Our swing did not move.
Good. Our swing did not move. And now we are going to try to find the noun in our sentence. We're going to find the noun. Elsa, do you see the noun in our sentence? Our swing did not move. Do you see a person, a place, an animal, or a thing?
Swing.
Yeah, a swing. Very good, Elsa. We see the word swing. Swing is our noun, and it's naming a thing. So at a playground, we may have a swing that is a thing. We have a rhyme there, a swing that is a thing. All right, and can I have you read number 2?
Worm.
Good, the worm sleeps, and worm is our noun. And what is a worm, Diane? Is a worm a person, a place, an animal, or a thing? An animal. Awesome, Diane. So we have the worm sleeps, and worm is an animal. Very good. All right, can I have MKB? Can I have you do number 3?
My teacher is nice.
Good. And what is our noun here in the center? My teacher is nice, Callum. What is our noun in?
Teacher.
Teacher. Good. Teacher is our noun. And is teacher a person, a place, a thing, or an animal? Hi, Nam. What's a teacher? What type of noun is that?
Person.
Person. Very good. It's a person. And the teacher is a person. Miss Callie is a person. So the word teacher is a noun. Hafeng, can you read number 4?
The airport is big.
Good. And Ruby, can you find our noun in the sentence? The airport is big.
Airport?
Yeah, it's airport. And what do we think this noun is naming? Airport in our sentence. Is it naming it could be naming a place, or it could be also naming a thing. An airport can also be a thing. So very good, everyone. So we had
Jake.
Good job. So we found all of our nouns. We found swing, worm, teacher, and airport.
Jakey
And these were people, places, animals, and things. All right, we now have a game to end our class. Click the link in the chat to join our Nearpod. All right, we have Ruby, we have Billow, we have Zestri, we have Hafeng. All right, let's get started, everyone. Let's get started. So we have a Nearpod about our nouns, our people, places, things, and animals. So find the noun that names an animal in the sentence, the bee plays on the swings. All right, bee was our animal. It was our animal. It was the noun that named an animal, bee. All right, our next question. We have find the noun that names an animal in the sentence. An ant walks on the picnic blanket. Names a person in the sentence. The girls run away. The girls run away. We're finding the noun that names a person. Good, Maiwa. You've got them all correct so far. I'm watching the chat as well. All right, so if you were not able to join, you can look at the chat. Girls was our correct answer there. Find the noun that names a thing in the sentence. The leaf fell on 2 caterpillars. The leaf fell on 2 caterpillars. Let's find the noun that names a thing. So now we are finding the noun that names a place in the sentence. Ant went to the store. Ant went to the store. We are finding the noun that names a place. Good, Maiwa. We had store. Store was the place. Find the noun that names a thing in the sentence. Beetle baked a pie. No! Beetle baked a pie. Find the noun that names a thing.
Let me be in the fort.
All right. It is pie. Pie was the thing in the sentence. And number 7, we have find the noun that names an animal in the sentence. Ladybug ate a cookie. We're finding the animal in the sentence. The name, the noun. Yes, we have DT in first. Ladybug was our noun that named an animal. And our last question, we have find the noun that names a thing in the sentence. Butterfly writes a song. We're finding the noun that names a thing.
I'm still the second. Stop, please.
All right, Angtu, let's not chant right now. Let's not chant. So we're finding the noun that names a thing. Butterfly writes a song.
I'm number 1.
The thing was a song. The thing was a song. Good job, everyone. Good job. We had Vivian in first.
Yay, number 1.
Second. And Lamon in third. Awesome job, girls. Awesome job. And we all did very good. We all did very good.
Everyone now try to get Dian at the last one, okay?
All right. Good job, everyone. Good job. Good job. Let's go over our homework for tonight. We have a page about nouns. We have a page, Reader's Notebook, page 56, where we are going to find the noun that names a person or animal, and then names a place or a thing. So there's more than one noun in each sentence. We have to find the noun that names a person or animal, or that names a place or a thing on the bottom half here. So Reader's Notebook, page 56 for homework tonight, everyone. Reader's Notebook, page 56. Good job today. And everyone, I hope you all stay safe. I hope you are not getting sick. And I will see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.